looking for more leads and increased conversions for your business? Then you've come to the right place. Old methods of generating leads and relying on a fancy website for increased conversions is not as effective as it used to be. To get massive results today, you have to shine where almost 60% of all internet traffic currently resides, and that's online video. Having an effective and engaging video can do wonders for your business, but unfortunately, many businesses stop right there. What good is an amazing video if no one sees it? That's right. In order to get results with video, you have to do effective video marketing to ensure you get your share of this online phenomenon. All you need to do is click the button on this page right now to take full advantage of the power that video marketing can do for your business.